Just do it! So just do it! Make your dreams come true!
What's happening, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, hosted by the one and only the Forex God, the Forex King. It's Luke, your mentor. So as you can see by the start of this video, we're definitely breaking down a trade setup that we actually anticipated. We even uploaded a YouTube video on this particular channel, breaking down why we anticipate EURUSD to actually come to this particular H4 zone. My bias for the upcoming week, guys, is that the market could potentially go into a sell. So that's my bias for the week. So I'll just put this ghost pattern. So this is just what I have, guys. And we're currently just uploading this video to actually show you guys the progress as to how EURUSD is actually progressing as we released that particular video earlier this week. So stay tuned, watch till the end of this video because we're definitely dropping gems. But before we get into this video, do hit that like and subscribe button, as it helps us with the YouTube channel, with the YouTube algorithm, and also get notified when we post banger videos like this. So let's get into the video. So on the weekly time frame, guys, as you can see, that the story in this particular weekly trend line is that every single time price actually came to this trend line, it pushes down. Now the market then finally broke this purple trend line, creating somewhat of a high. I do anticipate this as a higher low, or an overall continuation to this monthly foundation. So on the weekly, I was in an overall bullish trend. Now looking at the daily time frame, guys, on the daily structure, we also were in a buy. We had this impulse, broke this previous lower high, we had this impulse correction. I was anticipating for a continuation, right, guys? So this could be a continuation, a correction, and this could be my overall continuation. Not only that, guys, if I actually draw a fib from point A to my point B, as you can see that this is my overall projection level. At this negative 27%. So that's where I am anticipating the market to actually go to in the next couple of months. But again, it will take time for the market to actually come to this particular level. And so now looking at my H4 level, guys, now previous H4 level, we were in an uptrend. As you can see, the market actually had this impulse, this correction continuation. Market hit my negative 27%, which is a reversal level on my Fibonacci retracement tool. Market then came back, pulled back, creating a lower low relative to this broken higher low. So this is a lower low, and this could be a potential lower high for overall continuation. Once I'd seen the market actually create this lower low, that's when I drew this fib from my initial high to this initial low, and I do anticipate that the market potentially come to this negative 27%, which is literally at a somewhat of a psychological level of 1.02250. So let me just delete this because it's kind of cluttering my chart. So on the H1 time frame, guys, I was already anticipating for a sell, because on this Fibonacci, right, so the previous H1 structure, right, we were in this overall sell. We had this impulse, this correction continuation. Market then broke to this trend line right here, also breaking above this previously broken higher low, creating lower high, creating a high high and a high low. And then the market, as you can see, has basically been sort of like in a bullish trend. After the market actually printed out this bullish trend, that's when I drew this Fibonacci from this point A to my point B, guys. And as you can see, the market has already actually hit my negative 61.8, which is a reversal zone on my Fibonacci, which is a reversal level on my Fibonacci. Do forgive me, guys. Now When the market actually came to this H1 zone, as you can see that at this particular level there was some form of resistance, market came to this area. What I saw was that, as you can see that on the RSI is actually projected towards the downside, while on market structure the market is actually projected or heading towards the upside. So that was my first or at least my second or third actually conference where the market was dropping. We had a zone, we also had divergence, and also in my negative 61.8. So I anticipated that the market potentially reverse. Not only that, my fourth conference was that the market actually broke this particular level of support, and I was now anticipating that we previously broke this previous level of resistance, and I was anticipating the market to come back to retest it as a level of support. Because again, one thing about the market, guys, is that every broken level of structure, it has to come and retest. It just does that. The market has been doing that for years and years and years. So on the initial, I think it was market forecast volume 1, we had this ghost pattern and the market was around about this area on a Monday. I was anticipating the market to actually come to this particular zone, and as you can see that the market actually printed out this ascending channel, and which gave us more confidence where the market could potentially push down. And once we had the break of structure, as you can see, guys, this is basically where I should have entered, but as you can see, we were definitely outside of the session, so we couldn't really take this trade. But as you can see, at the start of the London session, the market then pushed down for nearly 67 pips. So guys, I do anticipate the market potentially continuing this downward push or trend, and we could hit this H4. It could potentially come to this H4 level by the end of, I don't want to say this week because I feel like it's just too soon, but I think by Tuesday next week would have definitely have arrived at this particular zone. So we've reached the end of this video, guys. Do hit that like, do hit that subscribe. In fact, smash that like and smash that subscribe button and get notified when we post banger videos like this one, guys. Without further wasting any of your time, peace out.
Do it! Just do it! So just do it!